Today in this video we are revising the story A Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is about Albert Einstein. The title of the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind refers to Albert Einstein as he was a great scientist. Moreover, this chapter is a short biography of his, where they highlight some of his qualities. Also, the chapter shows Albert's interest in mathematics and physics and his ordinary human attribute. However, the title A Truly Beautiful Mind may let you wonder how a scientist's mind can be beautiful. It is because in this lesson we get to know about another aspect of his life, his other side, that he believes in humanity. Moreover, he advocates world peace, non-violence his entire life. In 14th March 1879, Albert Einstein was born in the German city of Ulm. Until the age of 2.5 years, he could not speak, and when he began speaking, then he spoke every word twice. In childhood, his playmate considered him to be boring. His mother also thought that he was crazy because of the abnormally large size of his head. The headmaster of his school regards him as stupid and good for nothing, but then he proved all of them wrong. When he was 6, on his mother's insistence, he learned to play the violin and became a skillful violinist. His family shifted to Munich when he was 15. But there he feels uncomfortable with the strict discipline of the school, so he left it. After completing his schooling, he gets admission in the University of Zurich. Because the atmosphere in the university was more liberal and they accept new ideas and concepts. Besides, he has more interest in physics and mathematics. At the university, he met a fellow student, Malvia Merrick. She was equally clever and intelligent. Afterwards, they married and had 2 sons, but unlikely, their marriage didn't last and they split in 1990. Subsequently, after finishing his education, Albert worked as a technical expert in the patent office at Bern. Also there, he secretly worked on his idea of relativity. He put out his paper on the special theory of relativity, which follows by the word popular equation E is equal to mc square. In addition, he also publishes his paper on German theory of relativity in 1915. This gave an absolutely new definition to the concept of gravity. Also, this theory makes him a famous figure. During the solar eclipse of 1919, his theory came out as accurate and changed physics. When Nazi came to power in Germany, he immigrated to the USA. He does so because he did not want his research and findings to be used for destruction. Further, when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission in 1938, he was the first person to write to the American president about the dangers. Moreover, in 1945, when America threw down the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was deeply hurt. Also, he writes a letter to the United Nations for the formation of a world government, so that it can prevent reoccurrence of such destruction. In last days, he spent most of it in politics, advocating world peace and democracy. The great scientist died at the age of 76 in the year 1955. Thank you. I hope all of you understood the summary of the chapter. Thank you once again.